Hi, this is Vashwati, MADA student from HSS IIT Guwahati, and this video is about the bus timings of IITG shuttle bus service. So I have included the bus timings of the bus service from IIT campus, IIT Guwahati campus to the Guwahati city, and from Guwahati city to IITG campus. So there are two different timetables. One is weekend timetables and another one is weekdays timetables. So these are actually included as screenshots and at the end of the video. So please watch this video at the end and find out the timetables mentioned there. So these are basically the updated timetables which are actually available to a particular application of IITG. You may find or may not find the updated version of the timetable from the actual official website. So you may find or may not find, I have no idea. So I have added the updated timetables at the end of the video. So how to catch the bus from the city, from the IITG campus, that is here. And first of all, there are so many bus stops inside the IIT Guwahati campus. One is this, like at the very first bus come to the place hospital, ask someone where is the hospital. This is the hospital area, you have to find it. And you can catch the bus from hospital area also, and there are another area also which is the IITG Lake area, and there are so many other bus stops also, like one is Old Guest House, and also the bus comes near by the area of Shubhanshiri Hostel, IITG Lake, and other places which are actually considered as bus stops inside the IIT Guwahati campus. How to find them? You can ask security guards that I need to catch the bus to go to city or somewhere else. The security guard will direct you that where to go. So this is the area from where the bus actually starts or ends near the Guwahati city. This is the area. This is actually Guwahati city, and near also Guwahati station. Now we have to go through the dark tunnel. Just look at that to reach the Guwahati station. So this is basically Pan Bazar area, and you have to catch the bus nearby area of Guwahati city also from this place. And okay, so this is a tunnel, look at it. You have to go from this area to that side of the road. This is the SBI E corner, you have to remember. This is the landmark, you have to remember to catch the bus. From this way there is Guwahati station. Directly go straight, okay, you will find the Guwahati station. So this way you can find the bus from or near the Guwahati station to go to campus, and from campus you have to get the bus. You have to get the bus to come to Guwahati station. Now this is the timings, basically IITG bus timings, which is divided into two sections, weekdays and weekends, from city to IIT and IIT to city. So take a screenshot to save it for your further usage. Thank you.